I'm going to try to make this video again with the audio on. What's up, guys? TJ here with another video. If you like these types of videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Also hit that bell icon so you can get notifications whenever I release new videos. Today's video is going to be about the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. Boy, that smells new. Actually, it smells like tennis shoes. I don't know why it smells like that. Anyway, I just got the DJI Mavic Pro 2, Mavic 2 Pro, whatever you want to call it. And this is an upgrade from my DJI Spark. I had the DJI Spark for about a year and a half now. I really love that little drone. The only thing that I did not like about that drone was that whenever I purchased it, everything was really going over to 4K and it could only shoot in 1080p. And also it didn't have like the manual settings where you can shoot in like a flat profile. So you can go in and edit your footage, apply LUTs and different things like that. So I got this Mavic Pro 2, and when you start flying this thing, because of how responsive and how much of a pro level drone it is, you're not afraid to fly it. If you can play like Mario Karts, then you can fly this drone. I mean, it's that easy. Of course, the Spark is easy to fly too. The only thing that I can say about the Spark that is a lot different than the Mavic Pro 2 is how responsive it is with the controller. And of course, it's a newer drone, so it's got the newest technology. But that was one of the things I wasn't afraid. I always felt a little afraid while I was flying my Spark because, you know, I was afraid the wind would catch it or it would not move in the way that I wanted it to move. And with this drone, when I flew it the first time, I was just completely comfortable. And I'd never felt that feeling before. So I guess that's the difference between, you know, a $500 drone and a $1,500 drone. So I did shoot a little video today with my drone, DJI Mavic 2 Pro, and I did a little editing on it. I did some color grading on it, nothing too drastic or too major. But I just want to talk a little bit about the drone itself. It does have the Hasselblad. It does have the Hasselblad camera on it with the f-stop 2.8 EQV 28mm lens, and with that pro level lens you can get some amazing footage, especially if you shoot during like golden hour, or if you have some nighttime like time lapses or hyperlapses that you do. This camera is going to be able to capture that in a way that your DJI Spark cannot. Another thing is the form factor. So this is I mean, this is not that big. I'm gonna do it in comparison to my cell phone. So if you look at the cell phone versus the drone, it's not that much bigger. Of course it's a little bit heavier, and you do have the propellers that you have to deal with, but in terms of the form factor, it's very small, it's very compact. And I also have a case that I can set this in. I also can set the controller in. I can set all the cables in it, and I can get the flying. You know, it's not that big a deal. I don't really have any cons for it yet because, of course, this is just my first time flying it, and I haven't seen anything. I cannot wait to go out and use some of the new fly profiles or the auto flying modes that they have. I use those a lot with the DJI Spark. And one of my New Year's resolutions for my YouTube channel is to make more drone videos, because I really do like aerial flight and drone videos. So I do plan on doing that more. Also, this is something new. I am coming out with a new series of videos where I'm going to talk about a lot of different camera equipment, and it's going to be called What the F-Stop. What the F-Stop. And I'm going to be talking about all of my new camera equipment. I have so many different camera equipment and gear, and we got this thing that I use sometimes, this DJI Osmo Pocket. I got the Sony A6400 that I want to do some reviews on. So there's a couple different things that I want to talk about, and we are going to talk about those in a little bit. So the DJI Mavic 2, I'm not going to give you all the specs for it because obviously, you know, it's I left a sticker on here. Look at that. I flew that whole thing with this sticker on the back of it. So enjoy the video, guys. All right, that's going to be it for today's video. If you like these types of videos, please like, share, subscribe. I really appreciate it. Also, give me some ideas for drone shots that you would like. I live in Tennessee. We have a lot of waterfalls. I really want to get out and get some of the waterfall footage. It's a very mountainous, very beautiful area that I live in. So I have a lot of areas where I can fly the drone and get some really cool shots. But leave me some comments of what you all would like to see in terms of camera equipment, camera gear, or reviews and different things like that. And we will go forward. Thanks guys for watching.